In this video, we are going to learn how you can enable the LearnDash Presenter Mode. Presenter Mode is an extension of the Focus Mode. Now, what it does, for example, you want to present some of your content to your audience. One annoying thing is to hide your side menus every time. So that's where the Presenter Mode comes to play. When you enable the Presenter Mode, it will hide the side menus for you, allowing you to properly focus on your presentation and make your presentation look more professional and polished. So let's go ahead and start this tutorial. First off, log into your LearnDash powered WordPress website. Then what you can do is go to LearnDash and click on Settings. And from here, we are going to ensure that the Focus Mode is enabled because the Presenter Mode is an enhancement to the Focus Mode. Right down over here, you can see there's a new option called Presenter Mode. What you simply do is enable this. After you enable it, you can see there's a new option called the icon position. If you click on this drop down, you can see there are 4 options. This is where you can choose the position of your Presenter Mode icon. You can either choose the bottom left corner or the bottom right corner or the top left corner or the top right corner. By default, the bottom right is selected and we're fine with this selection. Once you are done over here, you can simply click on the save button. And then you can head over to one of your courses. So we're going to click on this courses option. And from here, you can choose any one of your course. So we are going to click on view. And from here, we're going to scroll down and click on a lesson. Now this will open up the focus mode. You can see that the side menus are over here. Now on the bottom right, you can see there's an icon over here. When you hover your mouse over here, you can see that this is the presenter mode. Now, if we click on it, it's going to enable the presenter mode. Now it hides all the side menus and top bars so you can present your content more confidently and in a more polished way. So that is how you can enable the presenter mode. In order to disable it, you can simply click on this exit button and it will exit out of the presenter mode. Okay? All right. So that brings us to the end of this short tutorial. We hope that was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more content such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.